and welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Bespoke Realty. And today I would like to present to you this stunning estate in Carvoeiro. 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, on a 574 square meters of space, on a plot of 2,200 square meters. And the location of this property is in beautiful Carvoeiro. It's walking distance to the beach, next to the Gulf. It's 5 minutes drive to the center of Carvoeiro, 50 minutes to the international airport, next to international schools. It's under 3 hours to Lisbon for cultural events or 2.5 hours to Seville. The property is south-facing with approximately 520 square meters of living space, 7 bedrooms, 5 of which are en-suites, and it's split over 3 levels. The top level features this beautiful living area connected to the terrace and the rooftop terrace. The entire property features multiple shaded terraces, a Mediterranean garden, a beautiful swimming pool, and an enchanting atmosphere of a 1001 night. The villa has been fully renovated with the natural stone, with the handcrafted timber and 400 square meters of marble. And this is where the heart of the villa resonates, this grand dining area. And it's connected to the modern, fully equipped kitchen with the top-of-the-line appliances. And all this is beautifully transitioned into the grand outdoor terrace with the barbecue, and it's connecting to the pool area. A few of the highlights of this villa are a rooftop terrace with a beautiful sea view, a very spacious primary bedroom with an outdoor spa area, a lush Mediterranean garden, and a very tranquil and split over many private areas, a beautiful property. I would like to thank you for taking this video tour with us. If you like this property, please reach out and I will be happy to tell you more about it. This has been Cheers from beautiful Carvoeiro, and I will see you on the next one.